When boundaries are crossed and order is challenged, justice steps into the scene. Swift, unforgiving, and leaving no room for second chances.
I need to see some ID, sir.
Little Rock, Arkansas. Police released Bodycam footage of a May 8th, 2022 arrest after Dustin Arch Black violently resisted officers, striking the chief with a baton and triggering a stun gun discharge during a struggle.
You're under arrest right now. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Taser, Tosh. Get on the ground. Taser now, goddammit!
I'm trying to get the taser.
God damn it.
Fucker.
Get up down! Call for help on the radio.
Chief Peter Powell and Officer Joshua Blazingame were injured, but treated and released. Black was arrested and jailed on multiple felony battery charges, disorderly conduct, and refusal to submit to arrest.
I'll beat your ass, motherfucker!
You guys will get his legs. We're retired fighting.
Watch your feet. Slide left, slide left.
Oh my! He's diving! Oh my god!
He's diving! Oh my god!
It missed him! Oh, it missed him! Everything is up!
Show me, show sorry boys, look at this guy!
A perfect tech-driven counterstrike. In seconds, the store vanished into a thick cloud of fog, sending thieves into instant panic. Technology isn't just guarding property anymore, it's preserving peace.
Hey, come over here. There we go. We got the arrest. We got the arrest. Get back. Let go. Whoa.
Kill someone else! Run for it! Kill someone else!
You can spot it instantly when someone skipped the basics of manners back in kindergarten. When a customer turns a fast food run into an audition for the next Scream movie.
He didn't fucking do anything! Get off him!
On June 30th, 2024, police responded to a La Crosse, Wisconsin home where a man refused to leave, reportedly damaging property and possibly in mental crisis.
Tase my ass.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, yeah. Lovely. What's the matter?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Relax. Do it now.
Oh, yeah.
Taser cycles had little effect, but pepper spray resolved the situation.
Put your hands behind your back, now! Give me your hands. 904 taser deployed. Put your hands behind your back. Your hands. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your...
out! Get the out! No! No! You get the out! Sorry, I've been up all day. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Yes.
Never ask the McDonald's in Ravenna, Ohio if they've got beef.
World star. World star.
Get out of here.
There are two things you can always count on at Walmart: great deals and some truly terrible shoplifters. This 52-year-old managed to run pretty fast after stuffing boxers, t-shirts, and socks into his pockets. But his car wasn't nearly as quick to get moving.
Always no teasers! Always no teasers! Always no teasers!
What do you got there, bro?
What do you got there? Always got teasers! Always got teasers! Always got teasers!
Down on the ground! Down on the fucking ground!
Teasers, officer!
Down on the ground!
Always got teasers!
Down on the ground!
Always got teasers!
Down on the ground!
Officer, I'm gonna be behind you.
Get your hands on your fucking
Always got
pockets!
teasers!
Down on the ground! Put your hand on the fucking ground!
Look, officer!
Hand on the
My
fucking...
ass is up! My ass is up! My ass is up! My ass is up!
Well,
My
turn
ass-
over!
My ass is up!
Turn over!
Pull my teaser!
Turn
All
over!
right. I know you're behind me.
Turn
I'm
over!
sorry.
Walmart later said that if he had simply surrendered, they would have only asked for the items back. Instead, his decision to flee earned him charges of 6th-degree larceny and interfering with an officer.
All right, sir. All right, sir. All right, sir. Sorry. You're fucking sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Officers at Manchester Airport handled the situation with clear professionalism, staying calm and measured without unnecessary force, and keeping their focus where it belonged, on safety for everyone involved.
Sir, stop. Taser, taser, taser.
The video captures life or death encounters as officers face violent suspects armed with machetes. In the first case, a man held civilians hostage and fought arrest, even trying to grab an officer's firearm during the struggle.
Unknown to officers, they would soon be fighting for their lives.
Turn over on your stomach. Turn over on your stomach, sir.
Sir, turn over on your stomach.
Are you gonna turn over on your...
In the second, a suspect threatened to kill a hotel employee over personal revenge. Both incidents show how quickly danger unfolds, forcing police to make split-second decisions to protect innocent lives.
I am the officer! I am Philip! Behead them now!
My taser's stuck. We're good. We're good now. We got him in cuffs.
14. Okay! Cuffs up, 14 good.
Let's roll him over. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Just let's wait till you get a wrap here.
Okay!
You guys hold him down and get on the radio.
Okay, well that's on you then.
Jacqueline, let's start walking
No, that's so.
A woman was arrested at Salt Lake City Airport after causing a disturbance on a flight, forcing all passengers to deplane.
They're leaving me homeless.
Jacqueline, focus. Okay, we're gonna walk you out.
Lock me out to where?
To where you can...
To the lobby in Utah?
At this point,
I don't ever get an aisle.
She argued with airline staff, refused to leave, snatched her ID from an officer, and resisted arrest. She now faces multiple charges.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Hands behind your back.
Stop! I don't live in Utah!
Stop resisting. Hands behind your
I
back.
don't
Hands
live in
behind your back.
Utah!
Hands behind your back. Where's your car, Sarge?
Get up.
Right there. We'll go down there.
Come on, get up, get up, get up.
Get up.
Get up.
This passenger at Atlanta's airport just demonstrated the quickest route straight onto the no-fly list.
Watch your back.
One protester stepped into the roadway outside a Charlie Kirk event, and officers acted immediately. Some see it as free speech, others as a public safety risk. It's a fine line, where expression ends and disruption begins. Who would have guessed that causing chaos at restaurants could somehow come with complimentary drinks?
Man, come on, bro.
Some people need professional help, not a shopping cart and an aisle to cause chaos.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
That's assault.
Get out.
Thank you. Get out. What's this? You're smashed. You're fucked up.
Get out.
You're fucked.
Get out.
You're fucked.
Get out.
Fucking
Get out.
tell.
Get out.
You tell.
Get out.
You tell.
Get
You
out.
just fucking assaulted me.
Get out.
You fucking nut.
Get out.
You just assaulted.
Get out.
You just assaulted.
She's literally, she's literally just sitting on my nose.
She's spitting.
Wait.
Get out.
No, she's just sitting under the basket.
Get out.
Please. Get out.
Yeah. Get out.
No, she's trying to fuck it.
This passenger at JFK and alcohol clearly don't belong together. A mix that was doomed from the start.
Wildin', guys! Oh! Oh! You are wildin'! Oh! 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 Y'all wildin'! Y'all wildin'! Oh!
Now I'm not sure what I'm watching. A Waffle House shift? Or a live preview of the next GTA game?
My God, bro, you wildin'. Yo, chill. You about to go to jail. Chill. Y'all about to go to jail. You wildin'. Y'all wildin', bro.
Get up, bro. What the fuck? Lord, he must not play, bro. Stop talking. Damn.